This is my outfit, y'all. We're recording you. Okay, wait. All right, you guys. This is Kennedy. This is my friend. Okay, we're at Derby's something restaurant, Dallas restaurant, and she got the calamari. I think that's how you say it, with the jalapenos. It's okay. You don't have to talk. It's okay.
The Thai calamari.
Yeah, there we go. And then we have like the
How'd you like it? What was your review?
It was good. Ocean Party? This was better. Yes.
Okay.
They gave us a lot of grass.
Honestly.
I don't think she liked it. Oh yeah. They like seasoned the grass or whatever. That is most definitely good for you. I have a thing against like this. I never eat this part. Every time I make a salad, I cut it off. What the? She knew it was dinner. She's like, you tell them what you ordered.
She's showing on a leaf. Oh. So I ordered a shrimp po' boy. I always get po' boys. What you get? Actually, we could just.
I'm sorry, y'all. I threw a whole egg in my mouth. So I got the Wagyu burger. That's what I got. Is Wagyu a dressing?
Huh?
See, that's what I was trying to say. No, Wagyu. That's a dressing? Or no?
That's a meat. It's a meat.
It's a meat. Then why would they like Wagyu dressing? I thought it was fine.
Do they add like in the dressing? It's a Wagyu burger. Who's in the cars?
Oh yeah, we're going on a car tour. I don't know if y'all can see the cars like right there. But when we get over there, I'm going to show y'all the video. I mean the clip of the cars and stuff. Right now, people are enjoying their time. I don't want to like throw it in their face. Yeah, when I went to Marshall and I was recording, I gotta show you. But it was like a strawberry guy. I'm like, oh my god, this is so cute. And then there was a mirror for them. I'm like, and then there was a mirror going to the restroom. And I did this. It looked like I was trying to record him, but I wasn't. I promise. But yeah, he did give me a weird look. I'm like, oh, this is awkward.
But thinking I would be the same as someone else, honestly, I just walk past it.
But
I don't really pay attention to the recording.
Maybe he was doing it because he already knew I was recording. You know I was not trying to record you. You see me recording
one
the
camera.
Right. Yeah. Oh. I was recording a vlog, right? I was at the time I watched that actually the crumble. And literally, we're at the light. This dude get out his car. I'm like, bro, why is a dude getting out his car? He don't get behind from my camera. And then outside, no, I'm gonna show you. Myself up, but y'all, the wreck is not even on our side, but we got traffic. Look, it's on that side, but my side want to be nosy. All right, so I don't have like my tripod is upstairs. I'm not gonna go get it. Sorry guys. I do have them shorts on again. I have that shirt that I bought. I got it in a smaller size, so y'all can tell it fits me a little bit more. If you watched the last vlog. And these shorts, I got them on. No, I'm not. Now, will I be wearing these a lot? Yes. Maybe I need to go buy me some more strawberry shorts. I finally got a product. I got it like 2 weeks ago. It could have not a sponge. This right here, I got off Amazon for probably like $12 for sure. It says cooktop cream, clean, shine, protect. Okay, tough on grease and burnt on foods. But mine don't be from burnt food. It be from when I like boil water and yeah, not let it get too hot and it start. That's how my stuff. I wasn't getting it from like greasy type. I mean, yeah, not the grease. I gotta blow my nose. I'm so sorry for that. I'm so sorry I had to hear that. You can tell I'm kind of in a lighter mood. Cause I be having different voices. I'm sorry, y'all. Steak free shot. Okay. Oh, I promise y'all that I sprayed that thing. I used to spray it with this. This one. The other color. All purpose and all that. Shoot, one time I even got the window clean. Like, oh. Nah, y'all. Actually, just invest in the actual product. Come on, dog. Lux? Hold on. I'm gonna try some clothes on for y'all. Come on, girl. I feel like in this house, I'm the one that be doing it. Well, they do, but. Oh, girl, you good. You got water and food. Go eat. Sometimes with me, she be expecting a treat. I be giving her treats, but lately I haven't really been doing it. Like, you're not finna know my game. I'm sorry, I got a little dish right there. But yeah. Let me do it from the side. I can't be looking at me from the back. Unfortunately, right now, I don't have nothing back there. Like, it's gone, y'all. Like, it's bad. Ugh. I started losing I'm telling you, I only get a butt for real when I get thick. Like, when I'm this size, it's the only way I can get a butt. But when I actually start getting smaller, no butt. Even the times when I was small and I was working on my butt, it wasn't doing what it needed to do. And you know, I be trying to change my mind, like, you know what? Don't be worried about back there. You know, like, it's new times and stuff. And really, I remember I kept saying, I was like, I don't care about having a big butt. I just want a flat stomach, which is still true. But when it actually started happening, you look back there and you didn't really have much before. The only thing that I can say is that now it's like squishy now. You know? Y'all know what I'm saying? I'm going to use that word instead of something else. But before, it ain't gonna lie. Like, what I had, it was like muscle. And I remember my friend, she used to be like poking my butt. She like, you got a hard booty. Because really, that butt, the only reason why I had something there was literally because it was a little muscle. And it wasn't even muscling for real. Like, if you want muscle, you pop out. It do be burnt stuff. But usually it happens when I be burning that water. Maybe it'd be like, grease and stuff probably do actually be on there and I don't be noticed. But when it's greasy, you can see that it's greasy. You know? I don't know why I didn't do it from this angle, but yeah. It's like, quit playing with me. Because when I was doing it like this, it didn't look like it had nothing on there. But when I start wiping, all of a sudden you still got a little edge on you. I'm in my cleaning duties. I clean like, I'm not going to show y'all, but I had cleaned the refrigerator on that side. Now I got to get like the vegetables part one. Ooh, girl, this is a workout. Bow. Alright, it better be y'all, for real. I'm not even joking. Sorry. Alright, really? I can even stop saying I am a lady. I'm a lady. I don't gotta do all that. Stop. Okay, I'm sorry, y'all, but it's not getting what Like, it's getting burnt stuff off, I guess. I didn't even know it was that burnt. But I'm seeing something. It's making me mad. Do I need water on it? Or what? That I'm trying to make cookies, but I just want to look at my stove. I mean, I'm finna make butter. Brown the butter. So it might, I was finna say, y'all heard it. It was finna come out my mouth. I'll take it. Go on Walmart and see how much it really costs, because I'm not buying this stuff online. $11 and you, like, I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh, the camera looks good. But now around the edges is not, but it is part right here. It's playing hard to get. And you know what? It won. So I'm done with that. I'm gonna wash my hands and I'm gonna get back on this butter. Yeah, but really, I have to eat better. Like, as I don't know if y'all can tell, but my arms, you gotta watch my videos. Watch my videos. Y'all can see that everything else is getting smaller, but my stomach, like right here. And that kind of made me realize, sweetie, it doesn't matter if I'm eating less calories. I actually gotta be eating healthier. And what is that sound? Y'all hear that? I'm sorry. I got this scrub all in y'all face. I'm sorry. Wait, no, that's not even a scrub. It's that. Look, I don't know who bought this. Like, y'all so bougie. Like, whoever bought this so bougie, because I'm gonna try to get it to matcha, y'all. I be seeing people doing that, and yes, I'm being a copycat. I really want to know what it tastes like for real, because I could have sworn I had matcha, or is that just green stuff? Don't it taste like greens? So why are y'all making greens sweet? I don't like sweet greens. Because that's like when I be having like, what's it called? That nasty stuff. It's green and long. Y'all. Celery. Like, celery be sweet when you juice it low-key. I don't want that. Y'all be over here putting brown sugar in matcha. That stuff better be good. I promise. Because y'all just be boosting everything. Matcha. Well, my smaller one. Actually do need to eat something while I'm over there playing. Love. When the butter comes like this. I feel like I should put y'all on something. I'll be able to see. I have, because I remember my cookies used to be like greasy. To this day, they low key. I be trying to figure that out, but this is the before. Okay. Sorry, y'all. I really don't have my tripod. It's just what it's come to. I'm sorry. Boom. See, look at them. They look good today. Like, I don't know what's going on, but they look good. This is what I was cooking. My omelet came out a little weird, but that's okay. Y'all see, this time I didn't burn the bacon. I know it look a little, you know, some stuff, but I didn't burn it this time for real. And then you know what I got my ugly friend. Oh, hey y'all. Just rolling out. I think I enjoy this like by myself, but I kind of, stuff like this makes me imagine like when I first start out like get to make like desserts for my husband, and then like for like my kids, and then I have a family. Hopefully, God's will, they gonna enjoy it. Like 10, 11, since I've been cooking really since I was 5. My mom said 10, but it was no. I learned how to make eggs when I was 5 or 6, one of those. I always say 5. I remember I was obsessed with eggs, and I used to beg my mom after school and daycare, like, please make me some eggs. And now I just started seasoning my eggs the way that my mom used to when I was a kid, because I was like, dang, eggs don't taste like that no more. I was like, maybe they changed the quality of the eggs, but no, I just wasn't seasoning it the way she was. But now we have the sugar, and we have The butter, a little action for me, okay? Just a little bit. Now I gotta actually go make the TikTok. So we gonna, ooh. This gonna be nice. And it's my recipe. I just know it. But let me not talk too much. I don't want to get cocky on y'all. Okay, I hate when the sugar do that. Alright, so you guys look. Yeah. We all good. Alright, you guys. And so here, shaboom. I don't got time trying to, flatten it. You can't really see it like last time. I mean, I don't think I made a video for y'all really, but you can't see it that much like it was last time from the side. But I'm finna cut it. Okay. Let's see what we finna do here. So I think I want them bigger. None of that other stuff they was doing. Yeah, that you guys. Y'all see that one poking out? Right now, someone's in my business. Right now I'm glazing them up, preparing to put the cream frosting on it. Like, why is she walking closer to me? Like, what's going on?
I'm trying to get something to drink, actually.
Oh, well, the drinks are in there. Just turn that way. There's no drinks over here. I don't see not one thing you can drink.
Interesting.
Stop arguing with me right now, please.
I'm not arguing with you.
You
I'm
are.
just saying you don't need.
Okay, but this is my cinnamon rolls. You know what I want?
I want that really cooked one right there. I want it kind of burnt,
What's that one?
Yeah. Looks really good,
Okay, you can get that one, but like not right now. I got videos I gotta take. Irish,
okay.
Please.
Okay.
Hello? Hey. Yeah.
What's the name? My tire keep going flat or something. I think I need a new tire. It's time to start saving money. I need to go get an oil change. And I gotta, no. You know when girls be like, oh, I just need a man. Cause usually, no. I mean, I don't like this. I just was here. After this, if this goes out, I don't know what I'm doing. They can wait so I can leave. Like, and they finna get a free what's the name? Cause I didn't even use all my stuff. I don't care about that. Like, don't be backing in when I haven't left the area. Like, give me my space. I'm moody. I'm sorry, y'all. I started my cycle today. Cause I know I remember I used to say that stuff wasn't real. Like, some people just be. I don't think like you actually saying like rude stuff. No, like you saying that. All right, but if you just have like a little irritated, I understand. Or you just emotional, I understand. Cause I don't know, I got humbled. Cause anytime I notice, like when I want to sit right here and cry or do anything, what is you chill? Like all out on the road. Yeah. I noticed that anytime when I like take stuff, even the littlest stuff set me off, 9 times out of 10, I'm finna start my period. Or when I'm having a hard day or some daily task that I do that becomes hard out of nowhere, and now I'm crying about it. Like especially at my old job, like I used to know. Cause I remember like, oh my, like I'll be just crying, like crying so much. I will understand why. Cause I would be almost on my cycle. Or sometimes it will be a day where I'll be emotional and somehow I go to the restroom and I started my period. So it's true. I feel like some girls, they actually do be rude. Like nobody's telling you to call them out their name. Your period not doing that. You got anger issues. But I'm on the way to take my granny and my papa some cookies and some cinnamon rolls because basically what y'all seen me make yesterday. Yes, I got the same shirt on. Yes. But I ended up taking that off mid-video anyway, so y'all, not too much. It's not dirty yet. But y'all won't see me getting no rewears or nothing like that. Thank you. Ooh, you nice. They let me do it so I can go. You so nice. But yeah, I do not be going over there. I'm sorry. I don't. Not to my granny, but there's a person that lives on that side. You have to cross his area to get to that side, and I don't like going over there. I'm sorry. It's just not fun. Like I don't like going over there. And on this side of Texas, I don't like going over there neither. Like I just go straight to Dallas. Like one street in like this town that I go, I don't ever. Now I go on that street. But before, I used to never go through there. And it's not because of that. It's just like I had no interest. Like that's not the road I'm gonna take a detour. Like, no. It's not like I'll be avoiding on purpose. I don't have to think. I just know I'm not going over there. And I mean, I wasn't going over on this side where I'm gonna go anyway before. I was when I was a kid, because again, my granny lives over there. So I've been going on that side years before. Why is you gonna get in the... Y'all know what I'm talking about in Texas. Come on. We all know the left lane 80 plus. 80 plus. So why are we getting over? Now this person finna get over on me. Cross me over. You better go up. Whoa. I don't like when people be driving slow and then another person was able to beat me. Y'all lucky. But that's just me being petty if I just speed up just so they won't get over. Yo, that tire, y'all, it went down to 24. At least it wasn't as bad, but I don't see nothing in it, and I hope there's nothing in it. I don't want it to like boom, you know? I don't know, because in the last couple of vlogs, it's looking light right now, but my upper lip, one of my biggest pet peeves is like when I look at my armpits. I don't really have it that much ever. But you know when people look at their armpits and you can see the little deodorant clots in they thing? I don't like that. And I know people are like, oh, well, they wear deodorant. I know that's a good sign. I just don't want to see that. Like on this one, I had there's one. All right. Well, there was one other one that was really making me mad. But, yeah, it's tomorrow. At 1 o'clock, I set a reservation for me and my sister. I think if you go really low and you see me doing like mini golf, I think that was really the last time I seen her. I said that I was gonna do better. I really stopped doing stuff after that. Like I had to, I was miserable. I'm one of those people that if I get miserable, you're not seeing me. I'm sorry. I don't like. Because I don't like complaining about my life. And why is you jumping in front of me and not going 80? I'm finna girl. I gotta stop saying don't like glasses like these because you know that reflective stuff. Like I see so much better without them. But I just got them off Shein. This whole outfit is Shein. No, except the shirt. Y'all know where the shirt and this. But I got what? This is for Shein too. This one is real big. It's like fluffy. They got ruffles. Where y'all think I'm at? I'm sorry, y'all. I'm rewearing this whole fit. I'll probably throw this on next week. And these pants goes with another fit. But, Jack wraps. Under 400 calories each. They knew to put that right there. Because I hate eating stuff and everything be like... I hate when they do that to my face. Oh. But we're going to put this on for character. I had went to my granny and my papa's and granny. You don't never say papa's and grannies. Granny went to go see my granny and papa. It's just papa's. I know man comes before the woman when you announce it, but it just didn't sound right. But I just went to go see them, and we talked. I enjoyed myself. They finally ended up kicking me out. They ever see this? They concerned about me driving late, especially my granny. She was like, I know I think I'm grown. You know, now it really doesn't hit because they know now I'm grown. I'm grown now. So, currently right now, if y'all can't tell by that wall is going to always be Jack in the Box. Anytime you see anybody in a drive-through line and that wall look like that, they had Jack in the Box. I'm getting that. I got 2 of the 6-piece mozzarella sticks. I would get the Nashville, but anytime when I eat Nashville, anything, it be heating that stomach up, girl. They talking about something. We ain't got no more ranch. Gonna spaz on them now. I'm going this way. I'm sorry. I don't like, when you trying to get out, like, let's just say you had an intersection. I'm gonna say that's what that is. And it's always crowded right there and it's right by the light. And you have to drive to that second one so you can get in at least, if you lucky. For no ranch. I knew I should have been greedy and ate that ranch that day. But that's okay. We got fresh mozzarella sticks and now my camera is not good. I'll be doing my stuff. 2 eggs. Yeah, this seems like a health drink more than anything. Yeah, like ginger, turmeric. That's what it tastes like.
5 months apart.
Yeah, it's really not even that big of a difference. Laying down. I think Lux is... I think I'm finna actually take a nap. I've been editing this video and I'm tired. And I got my leftovers right there. And yeah, I'm finna take a real quick nap. Probably for about like an hour and 30. Yeah. And then see what I'm gonna do. But I'm tired. But yeah, I'm tired. So, you know, when you start getting a headache, I got it. So I'm finna go to sleep. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. I see where I'm at. Yeah, reclip. You know, I was just preparing for like when I get, I'll be like, talking about how his family gonna think hopefully I've come out of that shyness, or hopefully he has a great, wonderful family that like, you know, that's patient and that's willing to work with me. Cause I be thinking, how you gonna have a wedding and you don't talk? I just started, you know, talking again. Cause I know my family they always say like, oh, you used to, you know, I was a certain way when I was a child and I stopped being that way, and I don't really be talking that much. But now, oh, like how you gonna have a wedding and be shy? I'm like, I've gotten more comfortable now that I don't be like, oh, why you looking at me? I don't mind it now. Now the only thing about it that I gotta work on is conversation. I don't be knowing anything. I just be cheesing. Oh, that's embarrassing.
Hey, Lex.
No, you
Hey,
just,
Lex. Hey,
if you know your
Hey,
kids,
Lex. Hey,
then
Lex.
you know.
Hey, Lex. Hey, Lex.
If you know your kids, then you know. That's all.
I'm eating the rest of my leftovers. I'm gonna put this fit on again too. So when y'all see me wear the fit that I had on yesterday and today,
Yeah, that's probably, and she probably already know that.
mama just, every time they come from work, they just be talking loud. Relax. Lux, cause you was in my business for real. Like, she gonna run all the way over here. Bye. Mommy's over there. Out the box, you hear me? Clean. Y'all, the food was good while we was there, but come now say from it marinating this box. Well, I take that nice, I finna say delicious. This is delicious, but that good old nap I just took. Scraping it, ain't nothing but oil up in here. Grease. You staring hard, for real. Oh my bad. She said you better watch it, okay? Lift the head up and was like, you better watch yourself. What's up with dollars and cameras? See, now that's gonna make me mad. Look. But when I just move the camera, she look back at me, and then when I do it like that, that's weird. I don't care. They may think we weird, but they weird. The camera's not even pointing towards. I'm just doing this. But you ear hustling though. I just looked at the clips. I'm over here beefing with everything. All right, I will. Yeah. Y'all most definitely see me Monday. And I'm gonna continue, you know, watching TV. And I think I'm gonna make me some cookies. And I feel horrible because, like, I'm on my cycle and I just feel, like, bloated everywhere. Like, I don't know. I'm feeling discouraged and I ate a little bad. But it's fine. I'm just have to keep on going until I learn my lesson. I need to stop. End of the video. Bye-bye. Good night.